Hello friends, my name is Ravi Kumar Tanaji More and today I am talking about uh, abstraction and encapsulation. Today's date is 17 December 2021. First point is abstraction. Actually, abstraction a process of hiding unnecessary of implementation files from the user, only display functional then the functional files. In other words, abstraction in other words, abstraction only shows the essential things to the user, and it it hides the internal details from the user. Like it like it means the abstraction let us focus on what object does not what object does instead of how it does. A real time example, we suppose we want to log in our Amazon account. So what we have to do is we need to enter our username and password information into the login field, and when we enter our username and password into the field, we have to click login button. As soon as you click on login, uh, next point is how to achieve the abstraction in Java. uh, in Java programming language, we can achieve the abstraction by two ways. First is by using abstraction classes, and second is by using interface. By using abstraction class, the class can provide 0 to 100% abstraction, that is partial to complete abstraction. The abstract the abstract class the abstract classes are those classes who object cannot created. Second point is by using interface. The interface can provide 100% abstraction. Actually, abstraction is similar to the class, but interface can only contain empty methods. That means the method which is not having implementation. Second point is encapsulation. Uh, as we have already discussed about object oriented programming, the encapsulation is of the OOPS concept. Is one of the OOPS concept. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation in Java programming language. The Java programming language, the encapsulation is mechanism of wrapping data and code together as a single unit. In simple words, the encapsulation allows to bind the data into the single unit, means it is acts like a protective shield, which can prevents the data is begin accessed by the outside. Advantages of encapsulation: first is data hiding. Actually, data hiding means the user will not have idea about the inner implementation of the code. It is only visible to only visible to the user that he is passing value to setter method and variable are initializing by that. Next is code reusability. The encapsulation is also implement to improve X usability of the code. Thank you, friends.